Alright people, that was the 5th time the power's gone out while I've been broadcasting. Let's get the stream started. It's good. Alright, we got Litecoin orders into the SMIX, right? Okay, 2 contracts of LTC bought, right? We bought them. Okay, we bought them. Open positions now 2, average price of 137.51. We have a sell order at a price of 137.92. What we're really going for here, more than anything, is the fact that we can get rebates. All right, so we're going for rebates here with LTC USD. What we want to do, really quick, it's really close to the market, so I want to get it a little bit farther away. I want to put it like 6,000, just because the market is so tight. I just want to have a little more exposure over that. I guess I don't like it close, actually. I mean, let's just go with it. All right, let's go with it. Let's get to the cron. First of all, let's rename the file. Rename Phemex LTC. Okay. Rename. Get this baby cranking. And cron jobs. This thing is going to be off the hook, LTC. And we're just going to copy this. And oh, that's for tests. Oh, 8 minutes. Add new cron job. We'll do tests LTC, and we'll do it every. It's a smaller range. I want to do this every 2 minutes. I want to do every 2 minutes. How do you do that? 1, 2 minutes. All right, so we're going to be trading LTC every 2 minutes. It's going to be a little more active, but the instrument's a little bit less expensive. We need to create a new file real quick, our parent or holder, if you will. That's going to hold the file. Okay, really we don't need to have this, but I like to have it. Just is it's two folders, 2 files. What was it sending it from? I think is it Phemex or is it test? I think it's just test PHP, and it includes Phemex order. Yeah. What we do is we're going to just copy it, and hopefully before the fucking power dies, test LTC PHP. We're just sticking with test because it's it was short for test, but now it's more of a get this in here, Phemex LTC.php. Boom, save it. Okay, LTC.php. So now our Litecoin orders are going to be automated as well. They're going to be much more frequent. The size of the orders is $5. We could probably push it up, so that means they're $2.50 a piece. We could probably push it to 3. Probably could push it to 3, but we're just going to leave it at 2. We're just going to leave everything at 2. It's just easier that way. All right, so we've got Ether done. We've got Litecoin done, presumably. We've got positions in both of the markets that we have an algo on. What's this blue thing? Oh, it's the chart. Cool. Look at Ethereum. Look at how much action we got on this baby. A lot more action, a lot more risk. Liquidity price, liquidation price. Now, where's the value? $5 margin, 27 cents margin. So it's just a little different. Ethereum's getting crushed right now. So that's the way it is, guys. Okay, buy 2 contracts of LTC. Okay, so there's another buy order for Litecoin that came in. All right, so it's going to be way more active. These are all post-only trades, guys. So that means if they can't rebate us, give us a rebate, it won't come in. it's going to be really slow with these rebates on Litecoin because we're only trading like $5 worth of risk. So it's like, you know, you have to do 15 trades to get any money from it. But hey, it will add up, and it'll give us some diversification. It'll give us some diversity in our portfolio as well. Is another thing that I really like. So we're gonna let that algo run. Good, Litecoin done. Moving on. So let's get rid of Phemex Gold. Is not a thing anymore. All right. Let's open Telegram. What did we just get filled on? We just got to fill. I think it was Ethereum. Yeah, 54.85. We just bought Ethereum. Options. Filled. We just got filled. Oh wow. Ethereum is taking a crush. Getting crushed right. A lot of buy orders resting down there, guys. It's just the way the algo is. It just puts a bunch of orders in. But you can see there's quite a few orders down there. It's just the way it is. So we've got orders, and that's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. So let me get a nice image for the homies. Get a nice image for the YouTube. Yeah, I should do this later when I'm not on stream with you, but I don't care. We got X new the white space. By both eyes, man. Somebody said they were gonna send me $140. Where the fuck is it? Come on, dude. Say you're gonna send it? Send it. Dude, you have an Venmo so I could send you $140? Actually, yeah, I do. Oh well, 4 days later. The nerve. The fucking nerve. Makes me sick. Alright. New image uploaded. Back to work. So, we've got LTC, we got Ethereum. Moving on. I want to get gold. Why the fuck is not gold? When has this gone to... Hey, homie. I can only send messages to mutual contacts at the moment. Hello. What? What? Did I get fucking blocked by these assholes? God, these guys are fucking assholes. Why? Gold USD is getting rejected, saying order symbol doesn't exist. Why? I got blocked. Fucking Telegram. Why did I get blocked? Is it because I'm an asshole? No. Is it because I'm rude? God damn it. Moving on. Alright, so we need to copy. And our Litecoin is going to be off the hook, guys. What's next? How about ALGO? Phemex ALGO. I don't even know what Phemex. I don't even know what ALGO is. Nor do I care. Change the LTC to ALGO. Find. Change them all. ALGO. I mean, you guys can't even keep up with computers. I mean, you might be like, yeah, you're down. Your positions are all down. Yeah, tell me something I don't know. You know what I mean? Our average price is 56. They're bidding 57.50. That looks like a winner to me. So, you say tomato, I say tomato. You say potato, I say potato. It's kind of that thing. The power is about to go down here in about 30 seconds. So, everybody get ready. Look. What is that? That's our position. Look at all these LTC positions we have. I mean, they're not positions yet. They're just pending fills. But look at the instrument. Look at the chart. We're gonna have to slow that down. I cannot. Oh, speak of the devil. Good job. We cannot be having that many there. I mean, we can't be getting this much action. See, edit. Every 7. Okay, every 7 minutes there. We just got a bunch of fills on LTC. Active. Any LTC. Cancel. Get it later. That means if we canceled one buy, we have to cancel one. Alright, so that's fine. We're equaled out there on the LTC. Because the market's just gonna keep dropping. And frankly, we should probably move the prices a little bit lower. A little wider, I mean, but we'll do that later. Let's focus on ALGO right now. See if we can get the price first. Exit. Get the price and exit. This is Phemex ALGO. Price 5758. What is ALGO's price even? Oh my god. Look how cheap this thing. Fucking 7 cents. I mean, how much does one of these contracts cost to buy? Market. Order values. Where's the max? 100%. 5. We'll do 2. We'll just stick to the 2s. I'm curious about this. So we've already changed the algo. So what is the ticking increment? It's going to be minus what? Minus 2? What? 7 is 35? Fuck. Let's just do 10. Let's see if 10 will work. 10. 10. 10. Okay, oh, well, let's do it. And then exit. Get rid of that. Remember, guys, we can go short. We just haven't been going short because the market's been too weak. Did we get rid of the exit? Yeah. Phemex. ALGO. Here we go. Let's see if we get some orders. Yep, we got orders. Okay, where are the orders? Oh, there's 2 here at 57.53. 57.53, so we're actually the top dog there. Then 57.70. Wow, so didn't even go. Market just. Yeah, the market's actually pretty quick. We're gonna have to go a little wider than 10. I'm gonna go 25. Sick. Right, guys? I hope you understand what we're doing. We are just kind of spreading it out so the market doesn't, you know, reject our post orders. Because remember last night, some of the issues we were having is we were getting half of our orders were getting canceled, because and half of them were not. Half of them were getting canceled. And half weren't because of. Oh, do we have an open? And this LTC is going to be a tough one. Really see any profits on, but our margin is $1. I mean, we're just here for the rebates. We're just here for the exposure. It's just going to add a little bit of variety to the portfolio. I think that's why we're doing this. Why we're adding these different instruments. So ALGO is ready. It is ready to rock. So we need to do a create a new cron job, and we do this every 5 minutes, but we change it to 8, 9. Just we don't want these all running on the same time, just in case, because the timestamps. And it's test ALGO. Test ALGO. The file doesn't exist yet. Open tab. Look at all these orders. Ether. We're just buying because the market's dipping into our orders. Damn, nasty. We'll buy some more down there, of course. Our average price is just lower and lower. Okay, we're seeing some volatility in Litecoin as well. So it does have the ability to move, so we don't want to make any mistakes about that. We definitely don't want to be getting our position margin too high. Order margins 85. So we're using quite a bit of margin. Using $13 of margin. Bought 2 contracts, sell 2 contracts. Yeah, those are not fills. Those are just. You'll hear it go. It gets filled. So we for sure want to keep it nice and slow and steady. 10 minutes is. We might actually want to move these up a little bit more with all of these coming through, but focus on the matter at hand here. We need to get public HTML, Phemex ALGO, and we copy this. Copy, call it test algo.php. Copy, edit file from BTC to Phemex ALGO, and order sent ALGO. Let's save that. Now that's going to execute every minutes. Good. That is fine. LT. We don't need to. We want to slow down. All right. We're going to have plenty of positions coming in. It's 8, 9. Let's actually move this one back. The one that's at 9 will go to 11. Just trying to slow it down just a little bit. We're going to be getting tons of orders here, guys. Tons. Right? Good. Now, back to the true pride and joy that I want to get in here. want to get copy that. I actually do want to try gold. X gold. Okay. Gold. Actually, we don't even need to do. Really, just do. Help us. Sure. Watch. Just take this. Place this ticker. Now that'll save us a lot of time. Way smarter. We call it object oriented. Kind of object. Don't need all. And up here, we'll just put ticker equals gold USD. And for the entry, I think we just 5,000. Could even do the offsets top as well. Deal with that later. Let's do Phemex gold. Missing requirement. Missing required parameter failed to read. Thing. I think it has to do with weird. I don't understand what just happened there. Fills. Sold 2 Litecoin. Sold 2 Litecoin. Bottom at 137.28, 137.27, 137.29. Sold 2 at 137.3. Actually is kind of a loss. You get down to it. The way it is. But we still have some other positions. We had way too many stops in there. Again, that's why we expanded the entry. Give us a little more variance in our fills. There's definitely a downside to having too tight of a range. If the market keeps dropping by 2 contracts, so that's ALGO that just came through. 2051. So no, these are quick, couple cent trades that we're going for. But at the same time, we get the rebates as well. So let's not forget about that. One of the really important factors here. We're going for a high win percentage and rebates. That is what we are. So, yeah. I think we do need to open the range a little more. We'll do that in a minute. We need to figure this gold thing out. What is up with this thing that is missing parameter? Even get the quote price. Got the quote. Okay. Here, so it should be fine. Struggling. Do that. Okay, well, I wanted to have a cool idea for you guys, but not gonna work. So cool. 1,000, 5,000. Don't know why. I don't know why we're not getting gold here. Let's see. That should be fixed. Not listed. What? Symbol not listed. We gotta fill in something. Our ALGO trade. So we're just, I mean, we've got a lot of positions on, guys. We got 3 on. Trying to do gold. For some reason. Still. Oh. Price is too low. 1,000. Quantity is 1. Buy 1 contract. So obviously it works. God, I want to trade that. So you can see our realized P&L is positive because it's we are getting the rebates, but they're so small they won't appear as a penny yet. Strategy is everything. Hey, Joseph. Yes, Joseph. We are killing the game, bro. Look at all that. Got 3 positions. We're short algo now. Yeah, we actually added 3. Adding new instruments now. We are killing the game, Joseph. I'm so glad you're here. I wanted to show you this. Look at this, man. The strategy we conceptualized. Take a look at it in action. Look at this. Straight up. Straight up. And look at the trade history. Look how many trades we've done as well. Still straight up. 27 pages of this. Look at this. Insane. And look at the fee. All negative. So we're making fees on pretty much every one of these. Pretty crazy. Pretty insane. So Joe, you saw this at the beginning and now you're seeing it come to life, and we're adding instruments right now for diversification. Right now we're using cron jobs to call each algo every 9 minutes for Ethereum, every 10 minutes for LTC, every 11 minutes for test algo. And the reason we're doing that is because we want different timestamps. So every one of these is, we're getting maker fees for every single one of these. And you know, this is the simplest algorithm in the world, because all it is it says, look how long this is. This is it. It's literally 87 lines of code. It puts a buy order and a sell order in at the same time, and it says time enforced post only. So it means if you can't get the maker fee, then don't place the order. So we're just basically buying a buy order and a sell order at the same time, and it's working out exceptionally well. And let me just show you what it looks like on the chart for Ethereum. This is the one I've been running all day. Our power's been out pretty much for the past couple hours. But look at Ethereum. Look at all the orders that we've got. It's insane. It's pretty sweet, I think. These are all orders. It just puts orders, and then as we get to them, it takes them off and it triggers them for the maker fee. So we just sold 2 of Ethereum, you know, and we just made the maker fee, and our realized profit went up. Maybe 5 cents, maybe less, maybe just a few cents. Sometimes our realized profit does go down. It gets in a weird funk, but it's pretty sweet. It just buys nonstop, or it sells it nonstop. It can go short as well, Joe, which is really good. As you can see, ALGO USD is actually short right now. So we have some diversification in our portfolio, which is really exciting as well. And right now we're trying to add gold because I think that would be a really exciting asset class to have exposure to. But we are getting symbol not listed. Symbol not listed. So symbol not listed. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. I'm pretty excited myself as well. But pretty sweet. Just ran it all night. The power went out a little bit, so it did actually miss a couple hours of trade. But right when I got up, I set it on cron job, so if the power went out, it would still operate. And it's been operating fine. It's taken some losses, which is encouraging as well, because it's good to see the system still operate with some losses in it. But you know what it does in losses? It just buys more, lowers the average cost, and that's all it does. So it's super, super effective so far. To be determined what happens in the future, but with the trade sample size we've had, I have a lot of confidence what we're doing so far. So I'm definitely proceeding forward. And this account was, you might recall, it was $76 last night, I think, or when we actually were working together. So now we're up at 85, and I haven't done any manual trading since we last spoke. So it's been super impressive. I'm very happy. We'll see what happens. You know, things can go wrong. If the market dropped 100 points, we would be underwater a little bit for sure, but we would just buy more and cycle in and cycle out. So we're just letting it go, and let's continue. Let's keep adding this gold. Good to see you again, Joe. Glad you're back. Glad we have positive news to report, and hopefully it continues to get more positive. Our algo short is actually up a little bit, 1 cent. See there, and our Ethereum long is up a little bit. So it's good to have that diversification, I think. The portfolio. Pretty much, I don't care about the coin. This is in the cloud, Joseph. It is. It's in my server. It's on my server. So I could close the computer now and it would run nonstop. It's in the cloud. It's my server, which is in the cloud. So we just got filled. We sold some Ethereum, and you can see our margin balance is going positive. More so, it's going higher. 85.28, I think, was at 85.18 earlier. So the realized P&L just went to 303. That is what we're doing. We're just gonna try, and again, we're not even and we just sold some Litecoin too. Hopefully we can, yeah, and realized profit just went positive for Litecoin as well. Yeah, yes, thank you, Joe. I'm glad you agree on the diversification. It's nice to see it come alive in front of our eyes, Joe. I've been trading for a decade and I've lost so much money it's not even funny. But now I am saying to myself, well, if you can't make money on $85, you're not going to make money on $2,000 account. Could I send more money here? Sure. Why would I though? If it can't make money, if it's not a good algo, if it can't grow that fast, then it's not a good algo. I might as well just send my money to Berkshire Hathaway, which is not a bad idea. But we're up on Litecoin. It's just one positive there, so that's very exciting. So we're making pennies, sure, but it's suitable for the amount of margin. Look at the margin. We're risking 55 cents more or less. Well, and we're making a penny, so we're making just shy of 1% for that trade in a less than 15-minute period. So as far as the risk reward, I'm pretty comfortable with it right now. I just think that we need to try and add gold if we can. And I'm a little confused why it's not working. That's not gold. So again, the gold is giving us this rejection. Symbol not listed. So I'm just going to try it a little bit different here. I'm going to just say, instead of gold USD, we'll just put gold. See if that works. We would really love to have gold in our portfolio. Really. I can't afford to trade gold on the CME group, but great. Wow. Failed to find symbol gold. Okay, so it's not that, it's something else. It has to do with symbol is not listed. Symbol is not listed. Symbol not listed. Symbol not listed. Phemex. Why are we getting that error? That's kind of frustrating. I mean, we could just sit here and work on this. I've sent some inquiries to Telegram. I've said, why is this not working? Why is gold USD symbol not listed? Joseph, I actually got banned from the Telegram last night because I was a little angry because basically they told me that they didn't have bracket orders in the API, that you had to make market orders in the APIs, and I got furious, so they booted me. So I can't ask the main group. Gain to gain. Okay. Gains made passively even better. Low risk, mid-size reward here. Trading other assets seems interesting. I like the idea. Completely agree with you. We're getting new orders. That noise that you hear, that squirt, like beep, is a new order coming in, and a fill is more of a sounds like you're wiping something, where something wave is taking away. So you can see our Ethereum bracket. Look, it's 1350.65 and 1365.45. So it's about a 15-point range that we're putting on our Ethereum trades. So that's pretty good. I mean, we're at 85.28 margin balance, and I'm just going to keep adding these instruments until we don't have any more to add, and we'll come back to gold later. But let's just close this one out, and let's copy that, and just keep adding the instruments until